Okay, statistics. Now we're going to look at problem number 5. It says, a rarely performed and somewhat risky eye operation is known to be successful in restoring the eyesight of 30% of the patients who undergo the operation. A team of surgeons has developed a new technique, so a different technique for this operation, that has been successful in 4 out of 6 operations. In part A, we're asked, what is the probability of at least 4 successful surgeries out of 6 for the old technique? So the old technique is the one that is successful 30% of the time, and we're looking for R successes out of N trials. You'll notice below I've given you a binomial probability table. So we're saying N is 6, R is 4, hi Mishka, and our P, our probability of success, is 30%. So in the table, I'm going to look at the N column first, and I'm going to find the 6. Then I'm going to look at the R column and find the 4. And notice the language here. It says at least 4 successful surgeries. So at least 4 successful surgeries also means that it could be 5 or it could be 6 of these surgeries that are successful. If I compare to my probability of success up at the top of 30% and go down, I see the probabilities that I'm looking at are 0.06, 0.01, and 0.001. So the probability of at least 4 successful surgeries is 0.06 plus 0.01 plus 0.001. So I'm going to add those up. And I see the probability of at least 4 successful surgeries is about 7.1%. And that's for the old technique. So 7.1% probability of at least 4 successful surgeries out of 6 for the old technique. Now, remember up at the top it said that the new technique has already had 4 out of 6 operations be successful. So when we're looking at part B, based on the probability you found in A, which technique would you recommend the surgeons to use in the future? So 7.1% is a pretty low probability for at least 4 successful surgeries. Something must be happening with this new technique. Either it's good or something strange happened, something unusual. So I would recommend using the new technique because the probability of at least 4 successful surgeries under the old technique is so low. And that's 4 successful surgeries out of 6. And again, either the new technique is better or something unusual happened. Either way, it's worth investigating further.